From the Blind Relief Association, Nagpur's Model English Middle School. The mother body of our school is Blind Relief Association. So we thought that can we make a model which will help a blind person in some aspects, and we have tried to make this model. I have prepared just 1 minute. I have prepared a stick. This is a blind stick. It will be always with a blind person. I have used simple infrared sensors in the stick. Whenever the obstacle will come in front of this stick, the buzzer will buzz. So by the sound of the buzzer, the blind person will be given a knowledge that yes, some obstacle has came in his path. But nowadays noise pollution is increasing. So one more addition is that vibrations are given in the stick. So whenever the obstacle will come, along with the buzzer, vibrations will also be there. So even if he is unable to hear the buzzer, through the vibrations he will be able to know about the obstacle. Now in case if the blind person loses this stick and he is not finding this stick, then he is having this remote, he will just have to press this button and the buzzer will start buzzing. So by the sound of the buzzer he can easily find the stick back. Now by the same system I have prepared, using the same sensors I have prepared this system. I am showing that the whole model is the premises of our own Blind Boys Institute. This one is their hostel, this one is their main building, and the last one is their mess. So when the blind person will be sensed over here, the output will say way to hostel. So the blind person will be given a confirmation that wherever is the path which is following leads to the hostel. Similarly, this is the main building. So he will be given a confirmation that yes, I am going to the main building. Now that is mess. Way to mess. So this system will help him to reach his appropriate path. Now one more addition which I have done is I have prepared sensory paths. This is a sensory rough path. That one is sensory carpeted path, and the last one is sensory soft path. The blind person will be given a information that wherever he feels the rough path, that path leads to the hostel. Wherever he feels the soft path, it leads to the main building, and wherever he feels soft path, it leads to the mess. So this system will also help him to reach his appropriate place where he wants to go. Now by the help of this system and that stick, he has came near this main building. He is having this remote. He will just have to press this button and automatically the door will open. Now when he will enter the room, enter the main building, same sensors are implemented. When he will enter, automatically the fan in that particular room will start working. If he goes from this room to the another room, then this fan will stop working and this fan starts working. Again from there to here, this fan will stop, this fan will start, and finally if he exits, then all the appliances connected to the whole circuit will automatically get switched off. So the manual work of going near the switchboard and putting on and putting off the switch of the fan will totally be reduced. So we can say that through the overall model we can help a blind person to reduce his danger from the obstacles, to reach his appropriate place, and to reduce his manual work totally.
That is only when he is within his campus.
Yeah, exactly. But this system means which system are you talking about? This
the sensors, what he's going to have, all these parts and all that, where it gives him the buzzer, it goes to hostel and all that.
Yes, actually presently this is a model, so we have thought to implement this model in an institution, but further we will surely think that can we make this outside the model, outside the premises.
Usually, the blind people will have additional senses.
Yes, additional sensors. Yes, additional sensors actually.
And when you go to the blind school, usually they teach them how exactly.
Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly.
Maybe by means of footsteps, or maybe due to that, it will.
They have the knowledge. When I go 11 steps, I have to. Yes.
And they get it very fast.
Yes.
Comparatively with all, even with.
This is just a primary model, just to show that we can use sensors for a blind person. So we have just tried to make it for inside the institution, but we'll surely think about what you're telling.
And one more thing, he has used the IR sensors.
Infrared sensors.
IR sensors are light sensitive. So further we are going to change the IR sensors with the ultrasonic.
Ultrasonic sensors or radio frequency sensors. These sensors are not affected by the light, so they will work.
It will be less of cost.
No, it will have a little higher cost
Yeah, that
than
is
the
what.
IR sensor. We cannot use IR sensors because always there will be sunlight, or if he goes near the tube light or a tube bulb, then these will not work. That's why we have covered them with a black surface now.